Alright, here we go with the last 3 boxes. Those first 3 were good. Here you go, Mark. Get them ready. Go ahead, get those ready. Knock them out. Alright, here's the first pack. Alright, we got Dwayne Bowe, Jeremy Maclin, LaDainian Tomlinson, Gale Sayers, Ray Rice out of 99, John Baldwin out of 36, and Packers, Alex Green, another 101. Oh my God, 101, Alex Green. Holy cow. That's patch, auto, 101. Man. That's crazy. Alright, we got Matt Ryan, LaShawn McCoy, and we got DeMarcus Ware, we got Brandon Lloyd, here's Marcus Colston, 69 of 90 auto jersey, and Tom Brady, Tom Brady, 8 of 18, that's nice. Tom Brady, 8 of 18. Alright. Okay, we got Vernon Davis, Frank Gore, Michael Turner, Clay Matthews. So another Michael Turner, this one's out of 99. We got another Patrick Willis. Holy cow, that's 3 of them. That one's numbered to 90 auto jersey. And the hit here is Matt Ryan. Or no, is that? No, Tony Gonzalez. I'm sorry. Tony Gonzalez. 15 of 27. Tony Gonzalez. And that was the other Michael Turner base card. I don't know why I said Matt Ryan. Alright, we got Jay Cutler. Not even going to say his name. Asumuga.
Asamoah.
Asamoah. Darren McFadden. Miles Austin. Blaine Gabbert. 35 of 36. Jersey card. And, whoop. 101. Another 101. Unbelievable. Giants. Printing plate. Patch. White whale. That's nice, man. There it is. 101. Look at that. This is a case right here, man. Holy cow.
Down goes to Sam.
Alright, we got Austin Collie, Tony Gonzalez, Ray Rice, Troy Polamalu, Brandon Marshall out of 99, Kyle Rudolph out of 36, jersey, and Patriot. 9 of 25, Shane Vereen. 9 of 25, Shane Vereen. That's the gold. It's nice. There's the Ray Rice. This pack here is big. Wow. This is the last pack here, guys. And it looks like there's a booklet in here. It looks like there is a booklet, and yes, there is. Holy cow. Des Bryant. Jerome Bettis. Where's that booklet at right there? Jerome Bettis. Save the booklet for last. Jamal Charles. Matthew Stafford. Leonard Hankerson out of 75, auto jersey. And the book is Jaguars. 8 of 27, Maurice Jones-Drew, all-purpose. That's nice. Would have been nice to put a little bit of color on there, but that's still nice going out to the Jags. All right, hope everybody had fun.